Hey guys, hi, hello. How are you all? It's been a long time since I have shot a video. I guess मेरी जो लास्ट वीडियो थी वो गेट रिज़ल्ट के रिएक्शन की थी एंड उसके बाद एक और वीडियो मैंने डाली थी बट थोड़े समय के लिए लाइक फॉर जस्ट 1 to 2 months मोर आई गेस मैंने उसको हाइड कर दिया है एंड आई make it public soon. Once I get my degree, I'll make it public soon again, so don't worry about that. And firstly, okay, firstly I am the same Ayushi जो कि पहले वीडियो में थी. I've just got a haircut, तो मैं थोड़ी सी अलग लग रही होंगी. I don't know what do you think about this haircut, guys. Like I already got one feedback that I'm looking like Dora the Explorer. Like, are we same? I don't know. Like, if I look like Dora, I do look like Dora,
Say that
then
you're fine.
it's
You're not
okay.
really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But never mind, keep that thing aside. The reason I'm making this video is to give you guys an update. Firstly, मेरा जो कैमरा है वो चेंज हुआ है, सो गिव मी फीडबैक कि डू यू लाइक दिस कैमरा मोर या फिर जो मेरा पहले का कैमरा था दैट वाज बेटर. एंड आई नो दिस इज़ इवन नॉट दैट गुड बट धीरे धीरे आई चेंज द कैमरा. बट उसके लिए मेरे पास सब्सक्राइबर होंगे तो थोड़ा पैसा आएगा तो आई बाय न्यू कैमरा. I think some of you who are new here, let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Ayushi and I have just graduated from a tier 3 college. Although its NIRF is very great, but I'll still call it a tier 3 college based on the facilities and the type of environment it provides. It's a tier 3 college. But okay, let's keep that aside. I'll not bring up my college frustration in this video also. But I have just graduated with a degree in my hand and a job. Yes, this is the major update which I wanted to give you all guys, that I finally got a job. I kid you not, I had lost all of my hopes of getting a job in this job market, but I still managed to get this job, and this has come at a very like different situation, different timeline. I was not even expecting to get a job and then this came. I'll give you all the story. So this was the introduction about me if you are new here. And also one more thing, that I have given GATE this year, and I think 80% of the audience right now is someone who is planning to give GATE or has given GATE in 26 and is like again planning to give GATE. So for that audience, I'll come to you also. So this was the introduction about me. I'm a 26 graduate and I have just completed my BTech, that is in computer science and design engineering from tier 3 college, and I have also cleared GATE this year with an all India rank of 1282, I guess. Yes, 1282 ही थी. And I have just got a job also. So let's begin. एक एक करके we'll go. The first and foremost, I'll give you an update about my COPE result, because a lot of you are thinking, like only one guy asked me, but a lot of you might be thinking of getting an update ki if my score is 690 in GATE, that is also in computer science, what can I expect. So for I'll give you the quick update of each and every round. Okay, so for the round 1, which I don't know when the result come, and okay, one more thing is, when my COPE result of round 1 came, I actually just 2 days earlier I received my confirmation letter of my job. So you know how sometimes you feel like you'll do nothing, you'll get nothing, and then suddenly you are getting everything. And that's the reason, that's one lesson which I have learned in my life is, guys, work hard and believe in God. Like, he'll manage everything, you just do your work. So that, you know, that quote they say कि कर्म करो फल की इच्छा मत करो, that is true. So for since, like, I remember, okay, I'll go that into that later. अभी मैं कोप रिजल्ट पे ही आती हूँ. So in the first round I got क्या मिला था मेरे को, कौन सी आई, हाँ, IIT रोपड़ में आई गॉट CSE. yes. So MTech, हाँ, I got CSE and AIML both. So I choose the retain and wait option for CSE, so I rejected the AIML option. For the next round I again got MTech in CSE from IIT Roper. So in that also I choose the retain and wait option. And for the third I again got IIT Roper CSE. So for that, I guess you are not allowed to select retain and wait for a same college and a same branch for more than 2 times, right? So in that I was just having a option of accept or to do nothing. So I do nothing because I already had a job and I was not worried about the gate anymore. So I choose to, like, not to accept. Then for the next round, I guess, which is the 5th round, I got nothing, no college in that round. And for the next round, which was on June 11th, I guess. Yeah, no, June 11th to kal thi. No, for June 7, yes. For June 7, I got IIT Mandi Computer Science. Yes. So अभी भी आई गेस दिस इज़ राउंड 6th आई गेस ना, जिसमें मुझे IIT मंडी मिला है. एंड देयर इज स्टिल सम राउंड्स रिमेनिंग. So you can expect, see, for a gate score of 690, which is above average but not the best that can give you IIT Delhi Computer Science on the first go, right? It's not that huge of a score, but still more than average score, which gave me an all India rank of 1282. You can expect colleges like this. And yes, there is no separate girls quota or reservation for, like, girls for AmTech. For BTech there used to be those supernumeracy seats, but it's not in the case of AmTech. So there is but one thing is that I am from OBC, so, like, consider that in your mind. But I think the all India rank 1282, that is my CRL rank. It's common rank, it's not an OBC rank. So yeah, that's all I have got for the COPE results. So I think who is that guy? Okay, so now abhi मैं, like, I was going through my YouTube channel to see किसने comment किया था. Like, there are 2 people. One is Mehul and the second one is who is this? Ankit. Yeah. So Mehul and Ankit, I hope I had answered your question. And a lot of you were asking me what was my strategy, how did I manage to do good in GATE in such a very less time. So if you guys want a detailed video on it, you can comment down in this video so that I have a, like, clear viewpoint of that how many people want this type of video, so I can make one for them. And okay, so just comment down if you want like a tips video or something like that. And secondly, the main point why you are seeing me very happy is because of the job. Yes, I had finally got a job. I cannot express this in word. It's beyond words. I was extremely happy. My parents were happy, my friends were happy, and in that moment of happiness, when I got the mail that, like, I'll just show you that, yeah, not in the mail, actually in the last round, which was the behavioral round. After asking few of the questions, the interviewer said that, I really like the way you explained your project, and you are one of the most youngest employees we are ever hiring. And when he said that, na, we are ever hiring, and I was like, did he said that hiring? Did he hire me? Like, what? Am I like listening right? So he said that you're one of the most youngest we are hiring, not just in terms of like graduation, that you're 26 pass out, in terms of age also you're very young, and this is going to be your first job. So like, if you're able to manage the startup pressure, then only come in this job. And I was like, I will be working hard even if I'm not getting job. Like, I will be either doing MTech, then there also I will be like spending at least 8 to 10 hours doing lead code and stuff like that. So I will be working. So better I work at a company like yours. And he was impressed by it, and then he revealed that we had a fixed package of package for freshers, and I cannot negotiate the salary. So then I was like, okay, yes, I'm excited to work. And he's like, okay, now you'll just get a confirmation email or message, etc. And I cannot express in the meet, of course, like it was interview, but I was very happy. I was like, okay, one more thing, that this came in a situation where my family condition was not that good. I had a tragedy kind, I don't know that's called a tragedy or what, but like my grandmother recently, she left us. So it was a very tough situation at home, and all of my 3 interviews, technical interviews, they all 3 were in those times. So the day my grandmother passed, I guess 3 days after, I was having my second interview. And then after second interview, again 3 or 4 days later, I was having my hiring manager, like, not hiring, that was behavioral round. Yeah. So the situation at home was tough. There were so many relatives obviously that came, and I was also not having that mind of studying that in that situation. But I think all of the hard work that I have done in the past months have helped to secure this position. Like, I remember, I can show you my lead code streak. I started I was doing lead code for a very long time, but it was never like with consistency. So I started doing DSA on, you can see that particular date, and this is of 7th of August. 6th of August is my birthday. And I remember my best friend at my college, he said that, do DSA if you want to get a job. And I was like, there is no way I'm getting job in this job market. It's already 4th year, that to August. How will I get the job? And he's like, even if you do MTech, you still have to do DSA, right? So better do it, keep doing it. So I was like, yeah, let's do. And I don't know how the spark came inside me. Thank you to that friend, but I don't know how that spark came, and I was like, I'll now do DSA. So from 7th of August, the next day to my birthday, every single day I have worked very hard. For each day I used to do DSA, no matter what the situation is. It was only in, I guess, January and Feb when the gate came, and it was not that I was just doing DSA. I was doing DSA, and then I was studying for GATE also, and then I was also having some extra time at college studies, etc. So I was working very hard. I was studying all the day, and to be very honest, when you're studying so much with the pressure that you have to do something in your life, you sometimes get, those, I cannot express in words, but you kind of get very mood swings. I don't know if that's a mood swing or what. Like you just feel very, you doubt yourself, you question yourself that is it even worth it. Like everyone is getting job and I'm not getting, I'm working so hard but still I'm not getting a job. Is it even worth it to study? Is it even worth it to do DSA? If this video has reached you, I just want to say one thing: it is worth it. The every day, every second you're spending on DSA, on upskilling yourself, it's all worth it. You're not seeing the result right now, but you will for sure get the result later. Just keep working hard. I am one of those people who has just lost all of my hopes of getting a job. Then I thought okay, let's do prepare for GATE also. The preparation for GATE has improved me as a person. It has enhanced my knowledge in computer science, and in the interview also it has helped me. If you need detailed video on how my interview went, which company it was, and etc, you can comment in under this video, and I'll surely make another video for that will be in detail. I am very irregular on this channel because I'm not getting time. I'm living in a PG right now that is double sharing, and my roommate is also working from home for 4 days. Only one day she has to go to office, so today is the day, so I'm having a free time. So I thought, why not to record a video. I wanted to record this video for a very long time, but you cannot record when there is someone in the rooms. So I got a time today, and if you comment, I'll just make another video for it. For sure I'll make it as soon as possible. So for this video I just wanted to conclude it with few of more thoughts that I'm feeling. As I said, please guys, work hard on yourself. You'll for sure, there are many people, some of you might be in 4th year, some of you might be in 3rd year, some of you might have just joined college. I don't think some freshers would be watching this video, but doesn't matter in which year you are, in which branch you are, which gender you are, doesn't matter. Please work hard, you'll eventually get the result. I'm saying this because I'm someone who has lost all the hopes and still got the job. So you can also just work hard on yourself, and if you need any other video, you can just comment it down. And if you want to know the company, I'm not revealing in this video. I will reveal in the next video if you want to know. And if you cannot wait for the next video, you can just go and follow me on LinkedIn. I have already posted there. So yeah, you can just know the company name. But it's a good company. It's going to be 1 month on 20th June. After 8 days, it will be 1 month since I've joined this, and up till now, the work culture is fantastic. Although I am the only one who is fresher there, everyone is I guess 2 people are fresher. Apart from them, for all of the other, it's like the second job or third job. But you cannot feel this. You cannot feel the gap. They all are very caring. They all are very helpful. They all are very, talented people, talented young minds. So I really feel grateful, thanks to God. I really feel grateful to be a part of such a great company, and the work that they are doing is also very great. So the sector in which they are is healthcare sector, so the work they're doing is also great, as I said earlier also. So the review up till now is very great from my side. Okay, so you can just I hope the video is, I think it's been too long since I have I think मैं बहुत देर से अब भाषण दे रही हूँ. You all must be bored. तो ठीक है, देन आई विल जस्ट एंड दिस वीडियो एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. प्लीज़ कमेंट कि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो कैसे चाहिए, वरना अगली वीडियो तो मैं अपने हिसाब से बना ही दूँगी. आई हैव लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज़ इन माई माइंड्स, बट कोई स्पेसिफिक वीडियो आपको चाहिए तो यू कैन जस्ट टेल in the comment section. That's all for this video. Bye bye. Keep working hard. Bye bye. All the best.